All my fitness boys and girls, I know you're tired of your chicken breast and steak. And as a true snack girly, I've got something for you. Ta-da! High protein edamame beans. Only 100 calories and 11 grams of protein. Sriracha, buffalo, sea salt. Try one by one. Sriracha, good packaging. Ooh. One thing I want to say, you can trust me with snacks, okay? This is really good. Sea salt. So far, sriracha is my favorite because it's spicy. It's spicy too. Not super spicy, but yeah, it's a great snack. Sriracha is definitely my favorite. They're all pretty good. Go ahead and click on the link and enjoy your proteins.